Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to explain scatter plot in Tableau. Let's get started. Scatter plot is a visualization used to compare two measures. It gives us more aspects of the data through the use of shape, color, size within the scatter plot. Scatter plots offer a good way to do the ad hoc analysis in Tableau. In Tableau, you create a scatter plot by placing a measure in the column shelf and another measure in the row shelf. Let me show you how to create a scatter plot. Let me open Tableau public application. Tableau public application is open and I am clicking on the show me palette to show the template of scatter plot. I am hovering on the scatter plot, and as soon as I hover on the scatter plot, there are some sessions which is displaying below. For scatter plots, try 0 or more dimensions, 2 to 4 measures. That means we need to have 2 to 4 measures, and we don't need a dimension at all. If required, we can add it as well. That means 2 measures are for sure required to create a scatter plot, and we don't need a dimension to create a scatter plot. I have taken sample superstore data and I am taking sales and dropping in the column shelf, and I am taking another measure profit and placing it in the row shelf. By default, as soon as you place two measures in the column shelf and row shelf, by default it will create a scatter plot, and it is not very exciting to see because we get only a single value, a single plot over here, which is not visually good to see it as a scatter plot. So what I'm going to do is I'm clicking on the analysis tab and deselecting aggregated measures to show the scatter plot. This is one way of creating a scatter plot. Let me duplicate the same, and now I'm clicking on the analysis palette and selecting aggregated measure again. That means it is reverted back to the original scatter plot view. Now I'm going to show you another way of creating a scatter plot. So to create another to create a scatter plot, a detailed scatter plot, I am bringing a dimension. For example, I am taking category dimension and bringing it to the color mark. This way we can create a scatter plot, and in addition to that, I am removing the aggregated measures. This way also we can improvise it to get more details. And in addition to this, you see, right, we can see, let me deselect show me palette. We have three categories: furniture, office supplies, technology, and three of them are defined with three different colors. I'm clicking on the furniture, and the furniture related data points are getting highlighted over here. In addition to this, we can even change the shape of it, category. So this way also we can get more details. So we can do the comparison easily, sales, profit, and category wise. Okay, let me do one thing. Now I have added category in color as well as in shape marks card as well, which is not required because since we have three categories, it is easy for us to identify with the colors because we have only three colors. If I remove category from shape also, with the colors we are able to identify. Orange denotes office supplies, blue color denotes furniture, and the red color denotes technology. Now if I want to get more detail out of it, I mean to compare sales profit with one more dimension, I can bring subcategory and drop it in the shape mark, which helps me to get much more detail through this. Let me increase the size a little bit and add a filter. I am clicking on show filter. I have removed everything and selecting furniture alone. So now we have within the furniture we have multiple values like different subcategories, sub chairs, bookcases, and chairs, bookcases, furnishings, tables. So likewise we have four other subcategories. This way also we can get much more detail within a single scatter plot with the same color. Within the same category we have multiple subcategories, and within the same chart we are able to get more details and much more comparison easily at the same point. We don't have to create multiple charts or multiple reports to do a thorough analysis. It is quite good for ad hoc reporting or to do ad hoc analysis. This is it, guys. This is how a scatter plot will look like and how it can be used.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.